Hey everybody, Michael here from Extreme Diecast Racing, and today we're going to be racing something new. This is called Hot Wheels Racerverse. Some new product the Hot Wheels put out, kind of like character cars. Actually, we're going to race these against our character car champ. We're going to be racing down our big track today. This is the half mile on the 1/64 scale, 42 feet long. And it goes all the way down to the end, to the finish line. Pretty nice, long track. Got Jaden here to help me out. How's it going, Jaden?
Hi.
Hey, do you think these cars are going to be any fast on our track here?
No.
You don't think so?
No.
We'll see if they're fast, and if they are, we'll see if they can take out our current champ. This is our Batman Batmobile. He's pretty fast. Took out Darth Vader a little while ago. So today we've got Mickey Mouse. Not too aerodynamic with his hand sticking out like that. Then we have Vanellope. I think that's from, what's that from, Jaden? Vanellope.
Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah, Wreck-It Ralph. Then we've got Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Then we've got Hero with Baymax. And that's from Big Hero 6, right, Jaden?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to get these guys open, and we're going to race them on a track and see if they're fast at all. Ought to be fun. Let's see how they do. Right, here's a better look at these cars. So this is Hot Wheels Racerverse, kind of like the Character Cars series. And first up, we've got Mickey in his classic convertible. He's waving at us, not too worried about aerodynamics with his hand out and with those big ears. We'll see how fast he is down the track. And next up, we've got Vanellope, and this is from Wreck-It Ralph. And if you remember in that movie, she creates kind of a candy racer. So this is a copy of that candy racer. Yeah, it looks to be a pretty good model. And next up, we've got Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Obviously in a convertible like the others. Pretty good model that we've got going for Stitch. We'll see how he does. And finally, we've got Hero, and he's riding Baymax. And this is from Big Hero 6. Yeah, he looks like he's confident and ready to win. All right, we're going to line these guys up, and let's hope they're super fast. We've got our racers lined up and ready to go, and we're going to race them 4 times, 1 in each lane, and the fastest time is the winner and gets to take on Batman, our current character car champ. Okay, so our first race, 3.80 by Stitch. Stitch takes the first race. That'll be our time to beat. Second place was Hero. And fourth place was Mickey. And fifth place was Vanellope. And in case you're wondering, Runcam got third. Okay, we'll line them up again. 3.80 is the time to beat. Okay, we had a time of 3.71, so Hero with Baymax really picked it up that time. There we go. And it looks like number 2 was Stitch, and number 3 was Mickey that time, and number 4 actually was the Runcam and then Vanellope. Okay, we've got a new time to beat, 3.71. right, 3.72. That was Baymax again coming in first. So previous record, 3.71, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So not quite as fast, but pretty close. 2 was Stitch. And 3 was Run Cam. 4 was Mickey. And 5 was Vanellope. So, yeah, it looks like Baymax is the quickest, but we're going to give him one more run, and the time to beat is still 3.71. All right, Baymax takes that one to 3.73. So the top time in this race was 3.71. Second place was Stitch again. Stitch is definitely the second fastest here. Third fastest is Run Cam. Fourth fastest is Mickey. And just Penelope and her Candy Racer. Even though it's a pretty cool kart there, I actually like that one the best. She is not very fast at all. So anyways, we've got Hero with Baymax going to be running up against Batman. We'll line them up. Okay, we've got the winner of the Racerverse cars, and it's Hero with Baymax. Now they're taking on Batman. So how this works is we race them twice, once on each lane, and the car with the fastest time is the champ. All right, we had Batman with a time of 3.655. Not too bad. And Hero with Baymax, 3.702. Time to beat is 3.655. We'll line them up again and switch up the lanes. Okay, the time to beat was 3.655, and we got a 3.631 by Batman. So Batman definitely picked it up on lane number 5, and he remains our champ. And he with Baymax got 3.764. So we're putting Batman over here back up on our trophy. Batman is still the champ of all character cars, including the new Racerverses. And Hero with Baymax is definitely the fastest one. Not a bad time with 3.764. These other ones were pretty cool, though. I did like Vanellope in the Candy Racer, Stitch in the convertible, and Mickey just waving, happy to be here, not too fast. A little bit faster than Vanellope, though. Vanellope's really slow in her racer. Okay, that was pretty fun. We've got another group of these Racerverse cars that we'll line up and race for you in a future race. Stay tuned. We'll see if anybody can beat Batman. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you next time.